Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be flipping through or sharing some new stickers from LTL Printhouse. We have a Mother's Day collection that is releasing today, so this will be linked down in the description. I have a code too if you're interested in purchasing. So I'm gonna show you all the stickers that they're releasing today, and then I'm just gonna do a quick little plan with me featuring these stickers. So again, this is a Mother's Day theme sticker set here, or sticker sheets, sticker collection for this release. But look how pretty these florals are. This envelope with the florals coming out is so cute. Keep calm and call your mom. Best mama ever and strong like a mother. And then we have this next page, Happy Mother's Day, with some more florals. Then the functional boxes here. And then look at this adorable like sticker washi. I love this scallop one. That's cute. Home is where your mom is. Adorable. So those are the sticker sheets that are releasing today. If you're interested, again, those will be linked down in the description. So now I'm just going to use these to decorate a spread that I have here. I have a little mini spread that I can use to decorate. Let me do a little whiting out of some stuff first. Okay. And then let's start putting some stickers down. I really like this envelope, so I'm thinking I'm going to take one of this long box right here. Just stick this. You know what? Let me stick this like oval shape would be cool here. That's different. And then maybe some flowers around it. Okay, just want to layer that so that way I knew how much space I had before I put this down. All right, and then, yeah, this little envelope one will be cute here in the corner. And then we have some nice quotes. I'll do this strong like a mother. Okay. And then got the little boxes here. I'm gonna cover this up and put it here. And then I want to use the washi. So let's put this one down here. Let's get something to cut this. Okay, and then I guess I'll stick the yellow one up on the top. I'll have to do something different on the other side, but that's okay. Figure that out. Okay, so I need to cut this one down a size to here. And then this side. All right, cool. And then I could stick some little flowers, like this one's cute. Let's just stick this on the corner here. Okay, so that's pretty good on that side. All right, now let's go to this side over here. Grab this floral piece for here. Grab some of these boxes, because these will all work. Or most of these will work on this side of the page. Let's do a pinkish box here. And this blue one over here. Actually, let me do a little space. Oops, kind of crooked. Okay, looks good. Oh, I want to stick these little flowers. Oops. Oops. Put that under here. And then, okay, I have the washi. I'm gonna use the scallop. Scallop's cute. How can I use the scallop? I guess we'll just break up the page a little bit like this. I think it's a cute pattern, or yeah, design element on the page. A little bit there. Although I don't like how I cut that. I want to fix that actually. Let's cut it to there. Okay, that's better. All right, so that looks good. We get one more black box down over here. And some more florals. So this pink one over here. A little yellow. Cute, cute. All right, and then I want to get another washi kind of element. Can I fit another washi? You know what I'm going to do? Let me get another ruler. I'm going to cut this down a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I did it crooked. I always mess that up. Okay, that's okay. I'm not going to use the whole piece, so it should be fine. I'm thinking I'm going to put this on top of here. All right, cool. And then I can add another piece. Oops. I'll just do one more. And honestly, it doesn't look bad that it's like, it's hard to tell that I cut it super crooked, so that's good. Oh, there we go. Okay, I only needed, not the whole piece. I think this should be fine. All right, cool. You know what, I'm thinking I will take this one off, and just to make it a little bit more cohesive, just add this piece over here. Yeah. Okay, I think that works better. It's cute though. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. All right, more florals, because I got florals that I can use, so why not? Let's stick some of these. Okay. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay. I feel like I was going too much into there. All right, I think that's it. Cute. It's pretty quick, but I used everything, or all the stickers I used from the sheets. There's still a little bit left, so that's good. Yeah, super cute. All right, so that is the Mother's Day collection from LTL Printhouse. Again, this will be linked down in the description. I have a code if you're interested in purchasing. There's other great stickers on LTL Printhouse's site, so definitely check them out. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.